Hey everyone, Sean here and welcome to Invest with Fire. Are you having trouble trying to sell a covered call in the Thinkorswim mobile app? Well, don't worry, I'm going to show you how to do that. So let's get right into it. So here I'm at the watch list screen of my Thinkorswim mobile app. And I'm just going to create a watch list. You don't need to do this, but I just want to show you just how to create a watch list. And we're going to add our symbol. So I'm going to sell a covered call from Microsoft. Click that, done. And now we have our new watch list. So to sell a covered call, we're gonna first select our stock. If you're new to Thinkorswim mobile app on iPhone, check out the video above where I walk you through the entire app. So we're gonna select our stock and this takes you to this screen and there's a lot of information on here, right? So what I like to do is click on this gray circle right here to hide the fundamentals and financials. So now we only have the market price and the bid and ask price. And below this, we have the chart, news, options, and profile tab. So chart, news, options, right, and profile. We're not going to go into profile, we're going to go options. And below this, you can see the spread. And that's where we select covered stock. I just want to show you the option chain where you can see the different strikes right in the middle. You can see the bid and the ask for the calls and puts, and you can also select this little gear button where you can add different columns, right? If I wanted to add something else to this, right, like probability in the money, for example, right? If I wanted to add that, I could add that, and it's going to fit it in there. If you just kind of scroll to the right, right, it shows you more information if you want. So if we're going to do a cover call, we're going to select spread, and I'm going to select covered stock, right? And for some reason, Thinkorswim gets rid of the colors of the in the money and out of the money strike prices, and they show you the prices of when you take premium into account. I'm going to select an out of the money strike price. So if our stock price at 228, I'm going to go 230. I'm going to select on the bid right here. It takes you to this order editor. It gives you a summary of your order. Again, it shows the price, the bid and the ask. It shows you what type of spread it is. And below this, you're going to see what options. So you can see that you're actually buying a call and selling 100 shares of stock, which is not what we want to do. So I'm going to select this buy button where you can buy a covered call. So we're going to buy 100 shares and we're going to sell one call at the 230 strike and at the September 4th, 2020 expiration date. And our premium is $4.71 per share. And I'm going to select a limit order, but just note that you can select like market right here if you wanted to, or stop, but I'm going to select limit. And you can also select your quantity. And this is really important. Make sure to hit this little lock button right here, right in the middle of the screen, because if you leave it unlocked, then this won't act like a limit order. You want to lock it right there. And trust me, I know, it doesn't make sense. And you can see your cost of trade. You can also select how long you want this trade to be in effect. So I'm going to select good till cancel. And you can also see a description of this. And when you're good with this, you could select confirm. And this is your order confirmation page. Your order hasn't gone in through yet. And it just gives you a summary of what your order is. So you can see your call that you're selling and your stock, and it also gives you a summary again of your order, and it shows your max profit, your max loss, and the cost of trade. I'm going to select send, put in my password again, and boom, my order was sent. And now we're in the orders tab where it's working right now. So this trade hasn't gone through because it's the weekend. So if this trade goes through, it's going to go from the working tab to the fill tab. And that's basically it. That's how you sell a covered call on the Thinkorswim mobile app. I hope you learned how to sell a covered call. So thank you so much for watching, and I hope you all have a great day.